Hi guys, today we're going to practice our C scale. First we're going to play hands separate. So let's start with our right hand. Our right hand will be, left hand will be placed on our left knee, and our right hand will be placed rounded hand shape on the piano. Make sure your first finger is on middle C. I'm going to play the scale and speak the finger numbers as I play. Please speak them aloud as you play as well, as you play along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to hold the third finger down. We're going to tuck that first finger under the third finger and play the next note, which is F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding down that fourth finger. Take your first finger now and tuck under the fourth finger while it's holding down and play the next note, which is C. 1, 2, 3. While you're holding down that third finger, you're going to take the first finger and tuck it under to play the letter F. 1, 2, 3, and keep going. 4, and end on 5. Descending. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold down that thumb. Take your middle finger, which is your third finger, cross it over. 3, 2, 1. Hold down your first finger. Take your fourth finger now and cross it over. 4. Bring all the fingers with you. 3, 2, 1. Take that first finger, hold it down. Get your third finger to cross over. Number 3, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to play the same scale again, but this time I'm only going to speak the numbered fingers that are either holding or crossing over. So starting on finger 1, hold 3, tuck under 1. Hold 4, tuck 1 under. Hold 3, tuck 1 under. We're going to go to the top finger, the fifth finger, and come back down. Don't double strike that 5. This time we hold down the first finger, cross over your third finger, hold down your first finger, cross over your fourth finger, hold down your first finger and cross over your third finger. The way I look at a scale is I like to think about patterns. So I'm only going to say the pattern that I see when I play the C scale, and that is 3, 4, 3. So watch carefully. 3, hold. 4, hold. 3, hold. And then all the way to the end. Come on down. Now I'm going to hold my first, but I'm crossing third finger, crossing fourth finger, and finally crossing the third finger. Playing it faster. 3 under, 4 under, 3 under, and come on down, descending. 3 crossover, 4 crossover, and 3 crossover. That is our C scale with our right hand. Now we're going to play the C scale with our left hand. So I need to put my right hand on my right knee. Left hand's going to find bass C with the fifth finger. Here's bass C. The pinky now is our leader, and we're going to go slowly up the scale, and I'll speak every single finger as I play, the finger number as I play. Oops, let's start that again. 5, not 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here I'm going to hold down my first finger and cross over my third finger to the next note, which is the letter A. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to hold down that first finger, cross over my fourth finger. It's going to play the letter D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Crossing over my third finger to play the letter A. 3, 2, 1. And now we're going backwards. Don't double strike your 1, 2, 3. Holding 3. I'm going to tuck my first finger under the third finger to play the letter G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tucking my first finger under to play the letter C. 1, 2, 3. Holding 3 down, tucking my first finger under to play the letter G. 1, 2, 3. All the way down. 4. And now we're back to where we started on 5. Now I'm going to play it a little bit faster, and again I'm going to speak the notes, the finger numbers that we are going to be holding down and tucking under. So here I go. Ready? Here I go. Holding first finger, crossing number 3. Holding first finger, crossing number 4. Holding my first finger, crossing number 3. All the way to the end. And coming back down, don't double strike your top note. Holding my third finger down, tucking under. Holding my fourth finger down, tucking under. First finger. Holding my third finger down and tucking under. 1. And all the way to the end. And lastly, let's look at that pattern again that we looked at with our right hand. The left hand pattern is 3, 4, 3. Watch. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Crossover 3. Crossover 4. Crossover 3. All the way to the end. Remember, don't double strike. Come on back down, but stop on 3 and tuck under number 1. Stop on 4 when we get there and tuck under 1. It's 3 this time, tuck under, and then all the way back down to the end. That is your C scale with the left hand. Now, once you're familiar with both the right hand scale and the left hand scale, we want to put them together. In order to put them together, you have to remember that 3-4-3 pattern that we worked out on each hand. So I'm going to show you, and then I'll go slower. So first, this is how it should look once you've learned the hands together for your C scale. Right hand, tuck under 3. Left hand, cross over 3. Right hand, tuck under 4. Left hand, 4. Right hand, tuck under 3. Left hand, cross over 3. Don't double strike your top note, just come on down. The left hand is our leader this time. Left hand, tuck under 3. Right hand, cross over 3. Left hand, tuck under 4. right hand cross over 4, left hand under 3, right hand cross over 3. So let's slow down and break that down a little bit. So it's really important that we remember that we're kind of, one hand is leading the other hand. So the right hand is the leader, the left hand is the follower. My right hand's going to lead on its transition to move up the piano first, and then the left hand will follow behind. Watch. Together, together. Now I'm only going to focus on my right hand as I transition under, and I'm going to keep going to the next finger on the left hand. So we're crossing under the right hand, and then when I get to the end of my left hand, it's my left hand's turn for me to focus on, and my left hand gets to now transition over the thumb with the third finger. Just that much again. Together. I'm mostly going to focus on my right hand because that's the hand that has to transition under the third finger. Then I can focus back on my left hand and forget about my right hand, but let it keep playing as my left hand crosses over the third finger. We're going to keep going this time. And now it's time for me to focus on my right hand, where I tuck under that fourth finger. And my left hand's turn now is going to follow and tuck and cross over with the fourth finger. Now it's my right hand time to focus. I'm focusing on that third finger crossing under. And now last, I'm focusing on my left hand with the third finger crossing over. Now as we descend, we switch our focus and our leaders. Where my right hand led me ascending, now my left hand will lead me descending. Left hand, get ready, here we go, we're going to descend. Left hand is the first to transition under the third finger. Now I can focus on my right hand. Third finger crosses over right hand. Back to my left hand, crossing under my fourth finger. Back to my right hand, crossing over the thumb with my fourth finger. Left hand's turn, tucking under my third finger. And lastly, focusing on my right hand, crossing over the third finger, all the way back down to our home tone, which is C. Once you've learned it, once you've learned that pattern, then you can play along with me. 1, 2, here we go. 3, right hand 3, left hand 3, right hand 4, left hand 4, right hand 3, left hand 3, left hand 3, right hand 3, left hand 4, right hand 4, left hand 3, right hand 3. And I just played a simple chord at the very end. Okay, there's your C scale.